Hello guys, today I'll show you how to withdraw your money on Fidelity. Firstly, go to the Fidelity website and log into your account. After logging in, you'll land on the account summary page. Click on Manage Investments in the top menu and under the Cash heading, select Move or Withdraw Cash to open the Withdrawal panel. Now click on Choose an account and the list of your accounts will appear. Select the account you wish to withdraw from. In the Amount input box, type the amount you want to withdraw. ISA or GIA withdrawals. Funds will be moved to the Fidelity Cash Management account for fee coverage. Or you can do it at the CMA. Choose other Fidelity accounts to move funds to another Fidelity account. If withdrawing a lump sum or tax-free cash, follow Fidelity's online withdrawal journey. Now select the appropriate source of this investment from the drop-down menu and choose your payment method, which is, in our case, your bank account, to define how funds will be added to your account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.